Now the class have good good wall between them, so that disturbance is there. Disturbance is there. Okay, but yeah, we can manage that. We can manage that. Right now, are you getting any disturbance?
No.
Okay, and literally, you can like there is no fan, and it's too heat. But I am sitting in that area where the all natural air is coming from this area.
Sir, there's one architect who put mud pipes and poured water over that, and it
Yeah,
gave an actual AC, and it's cheap also.
yeah. See, from this window, I'm getting full air conditioner here. So, okay. So now we'll start the class. Okay. Uh, okay. So good morning to all. Good morning to all. Ira, Vidya, Joshua. Good morning. How are you? Happy birthday, Ira.
Huh? Sir, my
I
birthday
mean,
is long over.
I mean, feeling all the advance for the next year.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll start the class. Just give me a second. I'll open the PDF for you. So we were doing installment buying when we did cash price exercise. We did the cash price exercise. Okay, perfect. Now we'll do one question based on this. Okay, and then we'll start a new topic. Okay, this is a question. Try to solve this. Then yeah, and Justron has some doubts also. So Justron will take your doubts also. Just do this question and then we'll solve the doubts of Justron.
Right. Uh, Sir, cash price of the
This blender. Okay, so I'll ask Jashron. Jashron, what is the first step?
Down payment is rupees 360.
Yeah. So first, cash price is X. Yes. And then down payment. Down down payment pay 360. Then
Installment is 390 rupees.
Sir,
And
sir,
that's
sir, 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 sir. First, we need to find the balance.
yeah, first you have to find the balance. Yes, good. So what will the balance?
X minus 360.
Yes, very good. X minus 360. Then
390 rupees for the installment.
is 390 rupees. Okay. Then what is total paid under the installment?
1,170. Think.
Yeah. How you did it? See, 390 rupees he is paying. Okay, for 3 months. So it means that 390 into 3. Understood? Simeon, are you with me?
1,170.
Yes.
Hmm? So what is the answer? 1000. One, 1,170. Is it correct? Yes. Now next, what is rate? Rate is given 16%, and we have to find the cash price. Cash price is given. What is time? I told you time is always 1 by 12. Okay. Now we have to find the principal. Interest. So what is interest? Interest formula is installment. Total installment he paid 1170 minus the balance, which is x minus 360. So 1170. This will multiply with 4 plus 360 minus x from 1530 minus x. This is the interest. Did you understand how we find it out? Everyone, just wrong. No, just didn't understand. Yes, Ishant. What did you understand, beta? Understood? Okay. Now, what is the formula for the principal? Principal for first month. What is the principal for the first month, Ishant?
Balance X minus 360.
Yes, say it again.
X minus 360.
X. Yeah. So because first installment is paid, so it becomes x minus what it will be
750, sir.
Yeah, 7. Then for the third month,
The third month, it will become x minus 750 minus 390, which is equal to
very good. Why you did minus 390?
because 390 is the installment.
Yes, good. Very good. It will become x minus.
1140.
Very good. 1,147. So now for the total principal, what is the total principal? Please tell me total principal. Yes, Damian. What is the total principal?
I'm not sure. I'm still writing.
I got x minus 2250. Not
Yes.
sorry.
3x minus 2000.
3x.
3x.
3x minus. Yeah.
X minus 2,250. Now for the solving part, where Jashron has some doubts in it. It's okay. So now what is the formula, Jashron?
Interest is equal to principal into rate into time by 100.
Divided by 100. So now what is the interest? 1530 minus x. Yes. What is principal? 3x minus 2250. Yes. Into rate. What is rate? 16% into 1 by 12 upon rate. Did you understand? Just So now, just to help me to cut all this thing, all the simplifying. Yes, please.
4 goes into 16 4 times, into 12 3 times.
Or should I say it again?
4 into 16 4 times.
Yep.
And
4,
12.
3 times.
Yeah. And then that
You
4,
want?
sorry?
Yeah. So say.
That 4 can cancel with the 100 and become 25.
Okay, perfect. So we can do one more thing. Like, it's correct, it's not wrong. Okay, but what I suggest you to do there in that step, see, I know that this is 3 and this is also divisible by 3. How I check this? If I will add this number 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. So basically, this number sum is 9, and there is a rule for the divisibility that if the sum of the number is 9, then it is considered as a that this number also divisible by 3 because 9 comes in the table of 3. Na? Did you understand? So now what I will do, I will take out the common. How? 1530 minus x is equals to 3 into x minus. Now divide this number with the 3. So if you will divide it, what will you get? 750. Did you understand? No. Please ask me. Okay. Now I can simply cut this with this. And I will send this 100 to it. So basically, always try to solve the number in the form of zeros like 100, 10, 1,000, 2,000. If you will divide it, it is not wrong. I'm not saying it's wrong, but you will get a number like 25. Now the 25, basically you have to solve, like if you multiply with this also, so it becomes break number. So now if I will simply send 100 now, so what it will become? 100 into 1530 minus x is equals to 4 into x minus 750. So now 100 will multiply with both the numbers. So instead of multiplying, I have to just place 2 zeros here. Understood, Justin? If I will take a number 25, so I have to multiply with both the number. Instead of that, I am simply just what I do is I am putting 100 and making 2 zeros minus 100x is equals to 4x into, if we multiply it, it will become 0, 0, and then 2, then 3000. Did you understand? Yes
Got
or
the
no?
answer, sir.
So it will become 53,000. Now I will send this and it will become plus 3,000 is equals to 4 plus 100x. X. It will become 15,600. Sorry, 1,56,000 is equals to 104x. Now when you will solve it, you will get the answer. Did you understand, guys? No.
I sent the answer to you, sir.
Okay, good. Did you understand, guys? No. Just not. Now, do you have any problem? Please ask me. It's okay. You have doubt in solving it. You can ask me again. This is why you did this. According to your way, it's not wrong. Okay, but the calculation is more. So every time, guys, you have to try to not to be in decimal form. Try to go away from decimal form. Try not to have the like put if this is in the form of hundreds, tens, thousands, like 0,000 is there, then it's gonna be good for you guys. Did you understand? No. Do you have any doubt, guys?
Sir, I have to write the question, sir.
Please. Yes, Detrick. What doubt?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay. Okay, shall I read this?
Not yet, sir. I need to write the question, sir.
Okay, right. Petya, Joshua, did you understand? Joshua, turn on camera. Simeon, did you understand, beta?
I understood. I'm still writing it down.
Okay, quickly do it, beta.
Done, sir.
One second.
Okay. Yeah.
1 minute.
Now, the question which we are doing, it's based on simple interest. When the simple interest installment buying process is there. But now when we have compound interest, okay, not the simple interest. When we have compound interest, then how we will do it, we will solve that. Do you understand?
Yes. I'm done writing.
Done? Shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Done? Shall I use this now? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
now we do. Yes, just one.
I didn't get the how there's like 4x and 100x also, right? So there's 2x's.
Yeah, so 4x plus 100x become
104x. But what about the other x? There's 2x's. Where does the other x go?
they are the like when they are the like terms, then there no need to have x and x both. You are just take out the x as a common, and you simply multiply add 4 and the 100, which is the coefficient of x. So if you will take out x as a common, so x is there, and 4 plus 100 become 404x.
Okay.
Okay. Now simply at the last you have to solve like this. Like divided by 104 is equals to x. When you will solve it, you will get the answer. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nine. Okay. So now
यहाँ काम करोगे वो तो गैस की फ्लेम ही बुझती रहेगी इतनी हाँ ये ऐसे वाली पर ऐसे वाली मैंने बोला नहीं देखो ऐसी वाली ये ठंडा रहेगा दरवाजे नहीं चाहिए ये 3 दरवाजे देते हैं
okay. This is the question. Now guys, please pay attention. This is different type of question. Here the problem is this term came. So can you read this, Ira, please?
A refrigerator is available for 12,000 cash or 3,600 cash down payment, along with 2 equal half-yearly installments. If the dealer charges an interest of 20% PA compounded semi-annually under the
Semi-annually thinking.
Wait, sir. I think because the word compounded is given, that's why it's CI, not SI.
Okay, now we don't have to use the formula of SI, the simple interest formula. We will not use that. We will use now like compound interest formula. So it's little bit different, and you can say it's little bit ratification also. Okay, so we'll try to solve this. So first of all, we will write all the things. So Ira, what is the cash price? Cash price
12,000.
12,000. What is down payment?
3,600.
Yeah, just give me a second.
Balance. Do balance here.
Now, what is balance?
It is plus minus 9,400. Oh,
9?
8,000. Sorry. 8,000.
What? Okay, 8,400. And then what is rate of interest?
20%.
But guys, it's per annum. And because it's saying semi-annually. So in semi-annually thing, we divide the rate by
2.
2 so that the rate become 10%. Did you understand, guys? So rate will become 10% per annum. Okay. Now the rate is given.
Time.
The we got the thing, but now here, because compound interest formula, we don't need time. Basically, listen guys, listen, please pay attention, don't write anything, I'll give you time to write. See, two equal half year installment means two times he's paying. Okay. Okay. For he's paying two equal half installment means two times he's paying. So means we have to find two principal in this, P1 and P2. Now we should know that the sum of P1 and P2 is equals to the balance, which is 8,400. Did you understand? Every time, whenever you will find it out principal, the principal will equals to the balance. So now in this case,
So even in the previous one also, first principle is equal to balance.
yeah, but in this case, the total principal is equals to the balance. Okay, so it will become 8400. Now for finding the principal first, so we have to, because we don't know the installment, so we will write let the installment be
X.
okay. So now for X is the installment amount that I have to pay. X is the installment amount that I have to pay into P1, the principal I don't know, plus 1 upon R, rate is 10% upon
100.
100 into 1. Because only one time he is like the NT is the first time, no? So that is why it becomes 1. Okay? And when we solve this, so it will become X is equals to P1 into 100 plus 10 upon 100 into 1. X is equals to P1 into 110 upon 100. So 100x upon 110 is equals to P1. This is the value of P1. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? No, you didn't understand. I just find it out what is the principal. So X is the installment amount that I have to pay. The rate of percent is 10 upon 100. And I just solved it and I just wrote it down. Did you understand? No. Hmm?
P1,
Just run.
P1. So here in this case, P1 plus P2 is equal to balance.
Yeah, good. Now for the P2, just on. Now what is the value for P2? So the same will be there, okay? Like I will write P2, but the difference will be, it will become, the power become 2. Simple as that. Because two equal installment is there. For the first installment, the power will become 1. For the second installment, the power will become 2. For example, if 3 installments are there, then for the first principal, the power become 1. For the second principal, the power become 2. For the third principal, the power become 3. Simple as that. Did you understand? Yes or no? If you didn't understand, please ask me.
But sir, X is the amount, no? Because amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of 10.
Why it become like that? I will tell it that reason also. See, the second installment is based on the principal of the first installment also. Like when the interest is added up, the second installment came. That is why compound always expensive. Okay. So basically, I'll just tell you right like that. That for the first principal is there, we have to make the power 1. All same value will be the same. All things all will be the same, but the power become 2 like that. Did you understand? No. Jashan, please ask me if you have any doubt. Betya, Simeon, Joshua. Ask me, Jashan. You have doubt. I know. I can read your face. Ask me. Ask me. It's okay.
How did we? I didn't understand how you got the balance as P1 and what is P1 and P2.
P and P represent as a principal. Okay. Now the total principal, like he's paying installment in one amount and installment in second amount. The total principal on which the interest is applied, it will be equal to the balance. So P1 is the principal of the first installment. P2 is the principal for the second installment.
I think you should do 8,400 minus P1 is equal to P2.
Yeah, you can do that also. But we have to calculate first P2 also so that we can find the value of X. See guys, what I will do here, X is equals to P2 into, it will become 110 by 100 having the power 2. So X is equals to P2 into 1110 square upon 100 square. So 100 square X upon 1110 square X is equals to P2. This is the P1, this is P1 and this is P2. P2, I am telling it again, it's a principal on which the interest is applied. Now ask me any question, guys. Yes, yes, sure.
The first in P1 is 100x upon 110, but now it's 100 square x upon 110 square x.
Yeah, and if the P3 is there, then 100 cube X upon 110 cube X should be there.
No, sir, both the numerator and the denominator have x. The first one is not like that.
So. Now any doubt? Anybody has any doubt? Vidya, please ask me if you have any doubt. No doubt. So now we know we will put the value of P1 and P2 in this equation. So P1 is like that. 100 upon 110x plus P2 is 100 square upon 110 square x is equals to 8400. Did you understand, guys? What I did? I just wrote the value of P1 and P2. Like P1 is this and P2 is this. And then I take out the common. Did you understand? Just wrong? No.
No.
Just ask me.
How did you do that? 1 plus 100 by 110.
See, in these are the two terms, first term and the second term. Now the first term, all the things is out. Because 110 and 100x is also there, so common, I take out the common. So this
Yeah,
all things, only one is left behind. Okay. So now it will become like this. This is the amount, installment 4840. Okay, this is the total installment that he is going to pay. So for the first installment, he will pay 4840. For the second installment, he will pay again 4840. Okay. So 4840 plus 4840 will become 9680. And the balance is 8400. So if you want to find the interest also, you will subtract it and you will find the interest. Did you understand? No, I didn't understand. I'm repeating again. For the first, like there are two installment is there. First installment is 4840. Second installment is also 4840. When you will add it, it will become 9680, and the balance is 8400. When you will subtract it, we will get the answer as the interest 1420 or 60. Did you understand? Ira didn't understand anything. Please ask me, Ira.
Sir, I understood.
Wait, sir. So, reiterate question, sir.
Yeah, Simeon, did you understand, beta? No.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Can you explain the brown part again? I got disconnected.
I saw that. Listen. Now, see, P1 is, can you just unmute your mic? What is P1?
100x by 110. Principal 1.
What is P2?
Principal 2. 100 whole square x by 110 whole square.
Now we know that P1 plus P2 is 8,400. We know that. Okay. So now I just put the value of P1, which is 100 upon 110x, and I wrote the value of P2, which is 100 square upon 110 square x. Okay, equals to 8400, which is balance. Did you understand, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
Now I take out the common, which is 100 upon 110x, because both are the same things is there. So I take out the common. Now if the whole thing is out, then only one will left behind. In the same way, x is out, and the square part will become 1 because the 100 is out and 110 is out. Did you understand, Joshua?
Okay. Okay.
I send this 110, which is division form, to that side become multiply, and this 100 which is multiply form, it will become divide like that. Did you understand? And I
Okay.
cut this 0 with this 8400 part. Okay, 00 is cut. Now I take out the LCM like this. The denominator is 1. I have to make the denominator 110. I have to multiply with both the numbers. So I multiply 110 here and 110 here. So it will become like this. So 110 plus 100 becomes 210 upon 110. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Now 110 will go. Like 110 was already there. I didn't multiply it because I know that it will cut. Okay, this is also the clever thing how to solve the maths. Just run. If something you will multiply it, so you have to first multiply it, then you have to, like, I know that I at the end all the things are cutting, all the things are simplifying, so I will not multiply it. So that when 210 upon 110 was there, I cut 0, 11 will go to that side multiply, and 21 will multiply, it will go divide. 21 fours are, and then I just simply multiplied it, I got the answer. Did you understand? Sure.
Okay. So the P1 plus P2 equals 8400 is just an equation, right?
Yeah, every time. Whenever the principal, if three principal are there, for example, P1, P2, and P3, then it is equal to the balance every time. Like whatever the balance is there, the sum of the
Sir,
principal is there. Yes,
how come here there are two principles?
because two equal half yearly installment is there.
If there are
If
if there are three installments, then
three principal will be there. If it is four, then four principal will be there, like that. And every time, each principle, the power becomes like that only. Like first principle, power will become 1. For second principle, the power will become 2. For third principle, the power will become 3. Fourth principle, power will become 4, like that. Did you understand? Agree?
yes, sir.
Everyone write it down.
Finish and done, sir.
Good. This is your homework.
Thank you for giving us only one question.
Thank you.
Finally, 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 finally.
You want more, Adri?
No, no.
No, 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 no.
Then it's okay. When you're done writing, we have 5 minutes break. Then we'll start our science class. Till then, bye, Simeon. And for the science test, Ira, not up to the marks. I mean, the writing part is like I told you, write in 5 points. You're not writing in 5 points. Uh,
But I had to write in points.
yeah, every time you have to write in point because the thing is, I have to work in now science also. The science part, you guys are not writing in detail. But if it is 2 marks question, if you let only 2 words, then you will not get full marks. Did you check your copy?
Yes, I saw Edric's also.
Yeah. I need detail point by point. Like we'll discuss in science class. You go and drink water. Come back.
Bye. Thank you.
Amen. Bye. Bye. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, come back, come back. Okay. So we were doing spherical mirror and we learned about some spherical mirror. Okay, concave and convex. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now the I will ask this question from everyone. Okay. Now which mirror is this? Is it concave or convex?
Sir?
Tell me. Yeah.
Sir, it's convex because it's outward.
Okay. Just Ira, just on everyone give input.
Convex.
So yeah, so Ira says convex. Justron, what is this? Just give a random guess. It's okay if you don't know.
I'll go with convex then.
Okay, Betya?
Concave.
Concane. What is concane?
That's what you wrote, right?
Concave. Cave.
Oh, wait.
Concane. Concane. Abel and Cain. Okay.
But
Okay.
but
So
that spelling is CAIN. This is
yeah.
CAVE.
Yeah. Okay, Joshua.
Mhm.
Joshua, what is this?
Yes,
Concave or
sir.
convex?
I'll go with convex.
Okay, it's not a concave, it's not a convex, it's a glass out of the box. Okay, why? Can you see any polish? Can you see any polish? It's simple mirror is there. Like mirror, we know that mirror is basically one side is polished and then the second side will become the reflecting surface. So because there is no polish, there it means that it's a glass. If I will do the polish like this, so the polish is outside and the reflecting surface is inside. So now it will come which mirror? What mirror is this now? If the polished surface is outside and the reflecting surface
Concave.
is inside, it
Concave.
yes, it becomes concave. Okay. And now if I will do the polished surface outside like this, if I will do the polished surface inside and the outer surface is a polished surface, it is called as convex. Did you understand, guys? Yes
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Now, any problem in that? No problem. Now we will learn some terms of the spherical mirror, which is very important. Okay. So first, tell me which mirror is this? Betya, which mirror is this? Betya, unmute your mic and say.
Glass.
Yeah, it's a glass. So now, which mirror is this? Betya?
Concave.
Concave. Now, everyone, please pay attention. Please pay attention. Don't write anything. Everyone, pens down. Okay. Now, the middle surface of the reflecting spherical mirror, the middle point of the reflecting, the middle point of the reflecting spherical mirror is called as pole. P for pole. I'm repeating again. Like for example, this is the spherical mirror, and the midpoint of that is called as the pole. Did you understand? Yes or no? Any problem? No? Now, a line passing through the pole, it's an imaginary line which is passing through the pole, is called as principal axis. An imaginary line that is passing through the pole is called as principal axis. Did you understand, guys? Edric,
Yes, sir.
Joshua, I told two words right now. The midpoint of this reflecting spherical mirror is called as pole. Imaginary line passing through the pole is called as principal axis.
PA.
Now, PA. Now, for example, this spherical mirror is making a circle. It's a part of circle. That's why it is like that. It's a part of circle. Now the circle has midpoint. The circle has midpoint that is called as
Focus.
center of curvature. No, it's not focus. It is called as C.
I
C
thought the
stands
C.
for center of curvature.
I thought the C was the point where the circle touches the point
No,
of
no,
the principal axis.
no, 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 not like that. The C stands for center of curvature. So how will I define it? Spherical mirror, spherical reflecting mirror forms a sphere, and the center of that sphere is called as center of curvature. So Ira, can you repeat all these 3 points which I told right now?
Okay. In the spherical mirror, the center of it is called a pole. The imaginary line crossing the middle is called a principal axis, and the center of the circle is called center of curvature.
No, no. The last right you have to say like that. The spherical mirror, the reflecting spherical mirror forms a sphere, and the center of that sphere is called as center of curvature.
Okay, the reflecting spherical mirror forms an what do you say? Forms a oval.
Sphere, not oval. Sphere, 3D object.
Sphere, and the center of the sphere is called the center of curvature.
Yes. Now the distance between, like for example, in a circle, the distance between the center and the circumference is called as radius. The distance between center and that's why it is called as radius of curvature. R. R stands for radius of curvature.
So we learned in
Yeah.
the gravitation chapter like G into capital M into small m by R square. R is the distance, the radius. Same for here. R is the distance between C and P.
Yeah. So here that R is not hard and fast rule. Okay. Some books D is also mentioned. So R is basically the distance is there. Okay. So now the midpoint of center of radius of curvature, like for example, the midpoint, like this is the midpoint.
Focus.
The midpoint of radius of curvature is called as focus.
F.
F stands for focus. So this is R, which is radius of curvature. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay. And one more thing. The distance between the focus and the pole, it's called as focal length. It's called as focal length.
So F is equal to R by 2.
Yes, good. So Edric, can you tell it again what the terms I taught you right now?
Okay, so the first term is center of curvature. So the
Now
center
first is pole. Pole. We started, like I wrote it here up and down. So where we started? With the pole we started, na?
So the
So explain with the pole.
pole is the center of the mirror. The middle point of the mirror is called as pole. Then the line which is straight, it is perpendicular to the pole is called principal axis or PA. Then
Imaginary line. Okay, mention the imaginary line.
then
Hmm.
then the mirror forms a circle. The mirror is a semicircle. The full form of the imaginary circle. The center of that imaginary circle on the principal axis is called center of curvature, which is
Hmm.
represented by C. Now the distance between C and pole is called the radius of curvature of
Hmm.
R. Now the midpoint of this radius is called as focus or F.
Good. Good.
The distance between this focus and the pole is called focal length, small f.
Correct. Correct. Now we know that the radius of curvature is basically it's like that. For example, the radius of curvature can be written as CF plus FP. Yes. Why? Because this is whole radius of curvature and it divided into CF plus FP. Did you understand, guys?
Wait,
Yes.
sir, I'll send you
Now
one.
we
I'll send you one thing. I'll send you one thing.
yeah. Now FP and FP both are same because I told you this is the midpoint. So can I write CF instead of FP? Did you understand, Ira? No. Because I told you focus is the midpoint. Focus is the midpoint. It means that this distance and this distance both are same. Okay. Now FP is basically a focal length. So FP is basically represented as focal length. So I can write small f plus small f because focal length is denoted by small f. So radius is equals to twice of f. This means that radius of curvature is equals to twice 2 into focal length. Did you understand, guys? Ira, just wrong. Yes, Edric.
So why not? You said R is equal to CF plus FP. So I
Hmm.
wrote R is equal to F into C plus P.
F into
C plus P.
C plus.
Because the F is
How?
common, no? Because F is common. That's why.
No, no, no. You can't do it. You can't do it. Here, it's not a variable. It's a basically the name of the line. You can't do that. You can't do that.
Oh,
Okay.
like how that day you said for the momentum instead of like you can say that PF and PI and MV and MU those terms for
There, there, the 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 values are in the form of variable. They were not name. Here, it is a name. Like CF plus FP is the name of the line. Here, there it's a value which is unknown. That's why we kept it as a variable and we take out the common. Like we take out the value of x as a common because it's variable. That is understood. Here it is name and there it is a variable. Everyone done? Shall I use this?
No, sir.
No.
Quickly, write it-
the name.
quickly write it down.
So name will be always written in caps, but the variable always written in small letters.
Yes. Edric, you wrote everything?
But sir, this F is small f. No, such small f is a variable. Small.
Yeah, it's a variable. That's why it's added up.
Except that this R is also a variable.
Yeah.
F and R are variables.
Yes. So you wrote it down, Edric? Everything?
No.
Write it down quickly. What are you waiting for?
Yeah, man. Boring. Why is this so boring? Why is this so boring? Wait, sir, 2 minutes, sir, please.
Yeah, yeah. Write this definition also. Write this definition also. Okay. ये ऐसे पूरा चाहिए हाँ थोड़ा दे हाँ ऐसे एक हाथ पूरा दिया मार्टिन चलिए उनका भी बोल सकते हैं
Then, sir, one more thing. There is a diameter like the top of the mirror to the bottom of the mirror. That is called as aperture.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was about to say. Sorry, sorry. Good. Very good.
Sir, this is concave.
Okay, here are the definitions that we should learn. because the question can come in this. So write all this also. Quickly write it down. Done, shall I write this?
1 more minute, sir.
Every definition done? Bipya? Oh. Edric done?
Yes, sir.
1 more
You wrote
minute.
the definition also? Yeah, waiting. Edric,
Yes, sir.
you wrote the definition?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to see your notes copy after this class, okay? Edric, send in me today notes of science class. Okay, Edric? After
Okay.
this class, send it me the notes of the science. Okay.
Sir.
Shall I use this? Tell me, Arya, when you're done.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, take your time. Okay, Petya, explain all the thing again. What I taught. Yeah, please. Quickly. Yeah.
So the spherical mirror
Hmm.
midpoint
Hmm.
called the pole, and then the imaginary line between the passes is called principal axis PA,
Passes
and
the
then
pole.
passes the pole is called principal axis, and
Hmm.
then uh, what is the
Then
thing again? Imaginary circle. Yeah, the imaginary
a
circle is
reflecting surface.
a reflecting surface is the reflecting surface's center is called center of
Forms a sphere. Forms a sphere.
forms a sphere.
The center
Uh,
of the sphere.
sphere which is called center of curvature. Curvature.
Curvature. Curvature.
Curvature.
Then.
And then from C to the center of curvature to pole in the middle of that is called focus, and then uh, from focus sorry, the center of curvature to focus, and then from focus to pole is called radius of curvature, and
Hmm.
then from the focus to the pole is called focal length.
Okay. Okay. So all we learn. So now write one question, everyone. If the focal length of a circle, if the focal length of a circle is 2.75 centimeter, 2.75 centimeter, find the radius of curvature. Find the radius of curvature. So everyone write it down and tell me the answer in the chat. Personal.
Sir,
Yeah.
if the focal length,
Of a reflecting surface is 2.75 centimeter, 2.75 centimeter, then calculate calculate the
Sent
radius of curvature.
sent sent it to you, sir.
Oh, you said it? Yeah, radius of curvature. Correct. But Edric, I need to write you to write down in a step by step. Write it on the step by step, please. It's correct.
One second, so what was
Good.
the question?
The question is if the focal length of a circle of the spherical of the reflecting surface, the focal length of a spherical reflecting surface is 2.75 centimeter, 2.75 centimeter, then find the radius of curvature. Then find the radius of curvature.
sir, so we should draw the diagram.
No, you shouldn't have to draw the diagram. Simple, the focal length is given 2.75 centimeter, okay? And we have to find radius of curvature. Now we know the formula, radius of curvature is twice of focal length. We learned this, right, Ram? Yes or no? Everyone please pay attention on the board. Okay. So now the radius of curvature will become 2 into focal length, which is 2.75. It will become 5.50 centimeter. This is the answer. Did you understand, Ira? Just wrong?
Yes, sir.
Joshua? Edric? You
Sir,
have to
I
write
said the
all the steps. Yeah, good. Betty, did you understand? No. Okay, write one more step. One more question. Right, one more question. If
Wait, sir. Wait. What's your...
do it. Right, one question. If the next if
Yes.
the next if the radius of curvature is 3.75, if the radius of curvature is 3.75, then calculate the focal length.
Centimeters, sir.
If the radius of curvature is 3.75, calculate the focal length.
Centimeters or meters, sir.
Centimeter. There is the answer. 1 point will also come, no? Like point is there, point is also correct. Okay, so we'll stop here only. I hope you understand what we learned today. Any problem? Any problem, guys? No problem. Problem illa. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye. Have a nice day. Signing off, Dr. Shabakir. Sayonara.